Hi, welcome to Smoky Edge Neoterics and Collectibles. Today we have a 1945 General Electric Troubadour clock, model H118. It's been taken apart, the motor's been gone over, it's been lubricated, it's in great shape now. New power cord, new plug, cleaned up, ready to go. This has the red flag indicator when the power goes out. Pull the plug out, the red thing drops down, and you put the plug back in again, and you pull the time. This side here, the red flag goes away and it's back to clear again. It does have an alarm feature around the back. The controls are here. Pull the alarm out, and we'll spin the timer around. Whoops, wrong way. Hard to do this with the alarm. Nice loud alarm. Luminous hands were luminous at one time. They no longer work, or very barely work, since it is an old clock. It's a really nice shape, nice little clock. Still got the original felt on the bottom yet. And that's about it. Really not much more to say. It's a clock. So, but it's all ready to go for you, and I hope you enjoy looking at this. And there's other videos up also of other devices that I have listed and also repaired. And thanks again for looking at Smoky Edge Neoterics and Collectibles.